Okay, another role-based demonstration for SPCRM. In this case, I'm coming in as the marketing manager. And so if I take a look at the area that I'm going to be concentrating on is marketing resources. So one of the things that I can do in here is plan campaigns, basically treat them like a project. There's an events calendar, there's marketing docs. It's a doc library that we can develop our collateral in, do images, those type of things, and track marketing tasks in here as well. So if we take a look at this, campaigns, for instance, here is a local government mailing campaign that we're planning on doing this week. And we've been working on it for a little while. So let's take a look at what we manage with campaigns. So with campaign, we can basically show the date, the start and end date of the actual campaign event. The details are about budgeted cost, actual cost, numbers sent, expected leads, those type of things. So we're describing some of these. And again, you can add any fields you want. Then to actually execute on the campaign, you can actually use the marketing task list and be able to pull in and assign tasks related to the campaign. You can see here's create mailer, design a website landing page. The deliverable that they'll be actually getting for this local government campaigns is solar and local governments white paper. Then also any of the docs related to the campaign. There's a solar financing for governments, local governments here, and we'll also see the white paper show up here too. As well. So in essence, this is where we can manage all the campaigns, and then if we take a look across campaigns here, we can see where they stand and show active campaigns, campaigns by status. We can look at conferences in specific for a specific category of things as well too. So that's one aspect of marketing. Second aspect is there is an events calendar, and this is made available to both the sales staff and the marketing group so that they can see what different marketing events are happening and support those events as well. Okay, a third area is marketing docs. And here you can see that we've got collateral, contracts, market research, marketing plans, and so on. And the nice thing too is as you develop, for instance, collateral, you can have collateral in development, archived, published collateral too, and that goes over to the sales resources library for the salespeople to actually get at. As you're in development with these and you want to get them approved, you can actually go in and use Power Automate here to have people sign off on them and so on. So let me just find one here that we have out here. Okay, and if I wanted to get this data sheet signed off or something like that, I can just go to Power Automate, request sign off, and it will send a sign off request, an approval request to any user I name, and it will give them a link to it. So that's another nice part of the whole managing documents within marketing too. Other marketing resources is you saw that we had tasks assigned to different people for different campaigns. You can also just track general marketing tasks. There was a project that we had that was to update collateral for 2021. And the other thing too is just like we saw in Teams here, there is a channel for marketing. And so we can go in and view everything just as we did from sales and see the marketing workspace and so on. And speaking of that, let's take a look at what that marketing workspace looks like. So if we go in here and take a look at this, we go to the one where I'm signed in with marketing. I could go into workspaces, and here is my marketing workspace. And again, this is what you see through the channel, and I could go in and see active campaigns. I can see the events going on right here and the different things that I'm tracking, marketing tasks, there's an images library and so on for marketing. You can also use, depending on what you're using for tools, maybe it's MailChimp, maybe it's Constant Contact, both of those have connectors within Office 365, which you could download leads, or you could upload different information up there as well. And you could put a link to those tools anywhere on the marketing workspace page so that you can go in and out of that, and other things like website analytics or Google Analytics, and be managing that. So that is an example of the marketing aspect of SP CRM. So you've just seen the marketing functions and features within SP CRM. You can also see other parts of this. There is a playlist, and you can learn more at spmarketplace.com. And you can request a live demo, see other videos, and see our other products that help you transform your business on Office 365 with a digital workplace.